Reduce stress. Stress can worsen both allergy and nervous system symptoms. So try relaxing, try responding well to your symptoms. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation if you can tolerate it, or even some gentle yoga can really help relax that body. Hey everybody, Coach Junior here from the CFS recovery team, and today I want to talk about something that many of us experience but might not realize, and that's how allergy season can actually affect your nervous system. Now, before I get started, I wanted to quickly preface that I am in no way, shape, or form a doctor or a medical professional. I am just somebody who has gone through this condition, much like yourself, has made it through the other side, and has gotten the privilege to speak to literally thousands of people at this point. I am now taking everything that I've learned and hopefully giving it back to you in the form of a YouTube video in which you can apply to your own situation. So let's talk about allergies. There's a fascinating connection between our immune system and the autonomic nervous system that explains this. When allergy season hits, your body releases substances like histamine to fight off allergens. This immune response can actually impact your autonomic nervous system. Your autonomic nervous system, which controls things like your heart rate, your digestion. As a result, you might notice an increase in symptoms like anxiety, fatigue, or even depression. And then for me, more specifically, it was like a loss of motivation or a very great lethargy. I really didn't feel like doing anything. I wasn't in a good mood a lot of the times. And I just want to give you some reassurance that it's not all in your head. There's real science behind it, believe it or not. And understanding this connection can really help us manage these flare-ups a lot better too. If you find your symptoms worsening during allergy season in the springtime, just know that you're not alone. Here's some practical tips that have helped me that will hopefully help you through it as well, okay? Tip number 1 from me, antihistamines can help. And I'm not just talking about the over-the-counter allergy medicine that we see in our local drugstores. Even if you can't take those things, there are actually certain foods that are high in antihistamines too. For example, foods such as apples, berries, ginger, and turmeric. These foods are really high in antihistamines and are natural too, which can help reduce the overall burden in your body. My choice out of the list is blueberries because number 1, they're tasty, they're really easy to wash and get from the store, and then number 3, I think they're fun to eat as well. All right, but I digress. Let's go back to the list here. So number 2, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, you guys, during allergy season. This helps your body flush out allergens and manage the histamine response. How much water should you be drinking per day? That's the age-old question. I can't speak for you because everybody's situation is a little bit different. But for me, for example, I have a water bottle that's about 32 ounces. I try to drink that water bottle twice a day, which equals about 64 ounces of water. If we were to translate that into water bottles, like just those plastic 16-ounce water bottles, that would be about 4 of them. Now, I don't get my full intake of water every single day like I should. Some days are better than others, but that would be my general goal to hit, which is to drink that 32 ounce of water, okay? Let's talk about number 3, reduce stress. Stress can worsen both allergy and nervous system symptoms. Okay, so try relaxing, try responding well to your symptoms. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation if you can tolerate it, or even some gentle yoga can really help relax that body. Okay, so number 4, create an allergy-free environment. Okay, keep your living space clean, use air purifiers, keep windows closed to reduce that allergen exposure. All right, and remember, these symptoms that you're experiencing, they're normal, they're regular. It's something that I've experienced. It's something as a coach that I get asked all the time if it's normal. You're not alone in this. Okay, I hope that gives you a little bit of relief that no, nothing's going on. Allergy season actually can make your symptoms a little bit worse. It can flare up your anxiety, your depression, things like loss of motivation, lethargy. These are very real things, all right? I hope this video has helped you, and leave a comment below if you're actually somebody who goes through allergy season and it's a little bit rougher than other times of the year. I'm curious to see your input, all right? And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves, everybody.
I would say that CFS recovery is absolutely the real deal.
I actually felt like somebody had an answer, like somebody explained what was going on, and it all clicked.